In this video, we will talk about how to use filters in the Ohio Opportunity Index Tableau. There are filters for domains, counties, neighborhoods, and septiles. First, we will use the domain filter. When we select a specific domain, the map will be recolored by that domain. The purple colors still represent lesser opportunity, while green still represents greater opportunity. However, now it is for that specific domain. The distribution plot will also now reflect how a census tract is ranked on that domain. The score plot will show scores within that domain so you can see how the components making up the domain score rank. These scores are z-scores, so they show how the tract compares to the mean for each component. For example, internet is 2 z-scores below the mean. The next domain we will look at is county. First, we have to deselect all, and then we select the county we would like to look at. Now it shows only that county in the map and only the tracts within that county in the table. Next, we will look at the neighborhood filter. The neighborhood filter allows us to look at cities or villages, neighborhoods, townships, or zip codes. First, we can try a specific city or village. When we click on what kind of neighborhood we would like, all of the neighborhood names appear in the lower filter. Now we can choose a specific city in Ohio. We can either scroll or we can write what we would like to look at. Let's try Westerville. Now only the tracts within the city of Westerville are showing in the map. In addition, only tracts in Westerville are showing in this table. The final filter we will look at is the septile filter. The septile filter allows us to click on a specific septile color, and it will show all of the tracts in Ohio with that color. If we click on Q1, we can see all of the tracts that are in the lowest septile of opportunity in Ohio.